This episode of App Judgment is brought to you by Click It or Ticket. Hey everyone, Eileen here. Now last week Annie demoed the new Twitter for iPhone app. Basically Twitter bought Tweety, rebranded, changed a few minor things, and voila, a new app was born. Well, just over 24 hours later, Seesmic also released their new Twitter app for iPhone. Well, today I thought it would be fun to break down both of these new free apps and tell you which one gets my download judgment. First, let's start with the superficial. Seesmic automatically wins the best icon category. I mean, really? Twitter? Really? Okay, but let's get to what's really important, function. Now, in the tweets section, both look pretty similar with the smooth scroll interface. But here's a slight difference. On the Twitter app, you can see who retweeted what, but on Seesmic, you just see a new unfamiliar icon. A minor flaw for me, as it always surprises me to see a new icon in my feed. Not a deal breaker for you? Well, let's look at the multiple accounts options on both apps because that's where they start to differ. I really like Spaces on Seesmic. You can add other Twitter accounts, lists, and here's one I really like, Facebook. You even have the option to post the same tweet to multiple accounts. I love that because I'd like to use one app for both Twitter and Facebook, and I don't auto-post Twitter to Facebook or the other way around. Twitter for iPhone also has the multiple accounts function, but no Facebook, which is kind of unfortunate. Seesmic has a nice retweet section. Here you can see what your friends think is important enough to retweet. Twitter has the big granddaddy search tab with suggested users and trends. And other standout functions include the drafts option, ability to edit your profile, and there's a nifty translate button. What's cool for me is the button for Instapaper or Read It Later. I honestly can't live without this last function. But Seesmic has Evernote. However, when you launch that option, you get pushed out of the Seesmic app. Out-of-app functions is almost always a con here at App Judgment. However, if you're an Evernote junkie, you probably can't live without this feature and welcome it with open arms. There are several minor nuances between both apps, but for me, the deal breaker is Instapaper, like I said earlier. Also, call me weird, but I kind of like looking at other users' app replies in the app. Plus, I do like the robust search tab in Twitter for iPhone. But you're not me, and maybe Seesmic is the perfect app for you. In fact, there are even Echophone users out there who could care less about these two apps. Either way, there are tons of free options in the iTunes App Store. Just happens that Twitter for iPhone is the solution for me. Well, let me know what you think. Email me your responses to appjudgment@revision3.com. You can also @reply me on Twitter @BiggiePaws. And don't forget, you can subscribe to us at youtube.com/appjudgment. App Judgment is brought to you by Click It or Ticket. Guys, it's a fact, men are less likely than women to buckle up. Why is that? In 2008, 66% of male drivers and 74% of male passengers 18 to 34 killed in passenger vehicles were not wearing their seatbelts. Don't become a statistic, please wear a freaking seatbelt. Especially at night. 2/3 of people who die in accidents at night are not buckled up. You may be a safe driver, but you do not know who's out there. It's not cool to not wear it. The police will be out in force over Memorial Weekend. Hundreds of state and local law enforcement and highway safety officials across the nation will participate in Click It or Ticket 2010 from May 24th to June 6th. They will be looking for you day and night and making sure that everyone is buckled up.